Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has announced that they will be launching the OnePlus 9 series on the 23rd of March at 10 am ET or 7:30 pm IST. In fact, they've already announced a partnership with Hasselblad to develop camera systems for the OnePlus 9 series as well as future OnePlus phones. The company will be investing a total of $150 million in camera development with 4 R&D labs, and I hope that this move pays off and OnePlus cameras can compete with Samsung's Galaxy devices or iPhones in the near future. The company has been focusing on camera performance lately, starting with the OnePlus 7 Pro and improving upon it on the 8 Pro, but even then they haven't been able to go neck and neck with the best smartphone cameras in the market. OnePlus is looking to change that with this partnership, and though these kind of partnerships haven't been that successful in the past, for example the Moto Mod accessory that was made by Hasselblad itself wasn't very good except the zoom, so we will have to wait until the phone arrives to see if this is actually any different. The OnePlus 9 series and other phones to come for the next 3 years will ship with something called natural color calibration with Hasselblad, which seems like something that will improve the colors captured by OnePlus phones that have suffered from poor color calibration in the past. So it will be interesting to see if that will be fixed. Also, they will come with a Hasselblad Pro mode that supports 12-bit RAW format along with other Pro mode features. They are also working on a panoramic camera with the 140-degree field of view and T-lens technology for faster focus in the front-facing camera. Now, these are some of the features that these phones will come with, but what about the hardware? So the OnePlus 9 series will pack in a custom Sony IMX789 sensor with real-time HDR video shooting and 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, while 8K can be recorded at 30 frames per second. The ultra-wide camera will also come with freeform lens for minimal distortion. Now, they do say the OnePlus 9 series and not just the OnePlus 9 Pro that will come with the Sony IMX789, so I'm hoping that even the OnePlus 9 gets the same sensor. Going to the 9R, I don't think the 9R would get this sensor at all. I think it can feature the Sony IMX689 from last year. Pete Lau has also confirmed that the phones will come with a charger inside the box, unlike some of the competition that has been removing the charger lately. It should in fact ship with a 65-watt charger inside the box in a typical OnePlus fashion. Also, the 9 Pro will come with 45 watts fast wireless charging, whereas the 9 will also get wireless charging for the first time at 30 watts. The company has also started taking reservations for the phones in China, and the last day of reservation is 24th of March. So that's it for this video. The brand is all set to announce 4 products on the 23rd of March, including 3 smartphones and a watch. So do tell me in the comments what are you most excited about. Thanks a lot for watching. Also, don't forget to smash the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.